What's up, guys? In this lesson, I'm just going to go through the products and sales inside your marketing tab. So I like how easy it is to set up a sales funnel, and you do need the products to create that funnel. So that's important to go through. And I'll show you how to review your sales and test data and live data and all that info that's inside that tab as well. So let's go into products here, and we'll just create a new product so you can see how to do this, what's all available in there, and where it shows up in your funnel. So this is the blank product here. We could name this demo product and set a price. We'll make it 97 bucks. And you could make an additional fee for people outside of the US. So this would be cool if you're like doing physical products and you wanted to increase it for those outside of the US. You can also create free products like I showed you with the demo course if you just want to automate the delivery of that. You can have a quantity. So if you only want to sell a certain amount, you can enable the quantity there, and they can actually purchase additional units of that product. And you can have people name their price. So this is a cool feature. You can set a minimum amount, so it could be $0. And if people wanted to actually donate, say it's for a charity or just an event you're running where you're taking kind of donations from people who are interested, you can have a minimum amount here. Could be $5 or more or less, but that's a really cool feature. I'm going to set this to 97, put it under my USD, and if it's attached to a course, you check this box. That just makes it available inside of the course to automate that access. So if it's not attached to a course, you don't need to check that. This is another cool feature. So split products. You can actually, if say your product was like 10 grand, you could split the payments over as many as you want. You could make it a 3-pay, and it could be a percentage of interest on each payment, or you could just specify the price. So each payment could be, let's see, $4,000, right? And it could be every month they need to pay that, daily, weekly, or annual. So really cool options in here. And then obviously you have the option for a one-time payment or a recurring payment. So for subscriptions, you have annual, monthly, weekly, or daily. So there's your options there. Number of payments. If this is a static plan and it's not a forever subscription, you would put the number of payments right there. If you want to add a trial, you could put that here. I usually do 7 or 14 days at the most. So that's going to vary depending on what you want to do. You can actually charge for a trial. So if you wanted to do a $1 trial, you could put $1 right here, and they have to pay $1 to get that trial. And then after that trial period, it would go back to that normal monthly recurring price. Product description. This is what goes inside the cart. So sometimes I'll use this to explain the pricing. So I might put something like 7 days free, then 97 a month. So it's up to you what you want to do for this, but I'll show you how this looks inside the funnel once we update this as well. And the last thing here is coupon codes. So this is an amazing feature. I absolutely love this. You can have your funnels out there. Say you have a $5,000 coaching program and your closers are on the phone and they're so close to making a deal. Someone could get in for $4,000 and they'd be happy and ready to go. You can quickly jump in here and create a coupon code. Name it anything you want. You could name it money and give that $1,000 discount just like that. And as soon as you hit save product, it's going to update immediately inside the live funnel with that product attached. So then inside the funnel, you'll see this code available, and you can put that code in, and you can turn these on and off. So that's pretty amazing. And if it's off, they won't even see the option to put a coupon code in. So you don't want people bouncing from the cart trying to find a coupon code unless it's a very specific case where you're giving this discount to someone. That's just my opinion. So unless I have a time window or a specific person I want to give a code to, I leave this off actually. But it is a very powerful feature. You could do selling through Messenger and offer people individual codes. You can just come in here and create those. Once they're purchased, you can go ahead and swap that code back out or remove it in 5 to 10 seconds. So awesome. I'll show you just how this looks, and I'll do a percentage off. I'll do 50% off and hit save there. So we have our demo product. I'm going to put that in our funnel we created. But last thing is the product delivery. So this will be on your order receipt. If you want to insert some deliverables, if you have a downloadable PDF, or you want to send someone somewhere to access their purchase, this is where you'll put that. So let's say I wanted to send someone to a certain area to log in. I'm going to put product here, and I can just insert a link and put that link right there in the website. I usually put open link in new tab, just that's the way I like to do things. So that's going to send them to my site now. So you guys will see that in the confirmation. We have our demo product. I do need to turn that coupon code on. So I don't know what happens if you leave this blank. I'm going to try this and see if it's available. We might need a date in there, but let's test it out. So we'll go to our funnel and go to the checkout form. And we're just going to swap our product here. So I'll go to the settings of that form, go to products, and I'll change my product to demo product and hit save. All right, that's updated now. And you can see now there's a coupon code, right? So we have a coupon code there. I can hit done and publish. And that coupon code was money, right? So look at that. As soon as I put that code in, it sliced our payments in half. So basically it's 50% off, and I could check out and get that value. So it's an awesome way to give individual coupon codes. And like I said, you can turn this on and off in 5 or 10 seconds. So let me just go through this real quick. I'm going to skip all these downsells. So there's my demo product, $1. And right here is what I mean by deliverables. So in the product area, whatever you put for deliverables, that will be a link for you. So that could be a link wizard link. So you could attach, PDFs, small videos, stuff like that in your link wizard link and attach that link right there. Or if you want to send them to a login, just put the link right there like I did. So now let's turn off that coupon code. Boom. We hit off and update. Now if we go back to our funnel, look, that coupon code is not even available. So they don't know that there was a coupon code before. It's just not there. The problem might be with a coupon code just permanently there. People might see that there's a possible coupon code, and they'll go to those sites like Retail Me Not, and then some might not end up coming back to your cart. So with the ability to quickly toggle that on and off is amazing. I absolutely love that feature. And let's just quickly change that now, right? We'll go back to products, go to that product, and we're going to change the code to, we'll do an amount off. We'll do $80. So this is a dollar amount, $80, and we'll hit update. Oh, I forgot to toggle it back on. So let's update that again, and we'll refresh the page. Now our coupon code is back available. We'll type that back in and hit apply, and boom, $80 off that payment. So that's basically it for products. I absolutely love the way DropFunnels has this set up. You can attach courses to a product. So whenever someone buys that product, it unlocks a course, sends them their login details. You can have people name their price. You can create individual coupon codes very quickly. That's going to increase your conversions a lot. And if you have a sales team, that's going to be an awesome feature for them to be able to just go in and create someone a coupon code just to get a deal closed. So absolutely love that. Now let's just quickly go to the sales tab here under marketing. This will give you some general stats up here. You can filter by funnel and also by date range. You can show as many or as few entries as you want. You can see our last few test purchases are right here. So if we expand these by hitting the view button, it's going to give you more information. It'll tell you what purchase what product they purchased, the status of it, is it recurring one time? You can actually cancel those right here if they're recurring. If it's a one-time purchase, you can go ahead and refund those right here from this tab. You can send them the email, the order confirmation email, and all that stuff. So if you want to delete your data, your test data, you can do that here as well. And I'm sure they'll continue to improve the kind of tracking and all the stuff to give you better data in the future as well. So far, we've covered courses, sales funnels, products, and the sales tab. The only other thing you might want to check into is your leads. This will show you everyone. So whether they bought something or it was a free product, all those people will be here. And same thing, you can see the details expanded to see what exactly, which funnel they came from, and all that information right there. You can also search that by funnel and date range. So all that stuff's available for you. I don't use the link tracker myself because we have Link Wizard, which is an amazing platform. You guys should have access to this. If you don't, go ahead and sign up for the Marketing Automation Toolkit at tryjohnson.com. But they do have a built-in link tracker here. And basically you can put the source URL and create a destination URL with a redirect. Obviously, Link Wizard is much more detailed and gives you more features. So that's what I recommend, especially since I give you a free account. But it's nice to know that that link tracker is available as well. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and jump into the next video. We're going to cover lead quizzes, and then I'm going to set you guys free, let you dive in, start your 14-day free trial of DropFunnels. Jump in the DropFunnels Online Marketing for Entrepreneurs Facebook group. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment on this video or in this course or in the Facebook group, and I'll be sure to answer those. So appreciate you guys. Let's jump into the next video.